Hello, my name is James.
My name's Noel, and we're from London International Theatrical Arts.
I'm a choreographer and we work in London's West End. I was a performer for about 15 years and now I work as a choreographer for lots of different theatrical shows and for lots of TV and film.
I'm a singer and an actor with over 25 years experience in the West End, and now we've set up London International Theatrical Arts to bring our expertise to the international school system.
So LITA are an amazing company who tour all over the world, and the two people that run this company is Noel and James. And we had the amazing opportunity to bring them into KTJ for a week to deliver a really exciting programme of musical theatre, singing, dance, and also lots of careers conversations and talking about options and going in and seeing all of our pupils and really talking to them about the idea that this could be a choice for life.
We've worked with primary, we've worked with secondary, we've done specific CCAs, we've gone in and worked with the students that have got lucky enough to get into the musical, which is Blood Brothers this year. We've already experienced so many of the students at KTJ, and we've done lots of different workshops with them. We've done our introduction to musical theatre workshops. We've worked specifically on dance. We've worked specifically on singing and music. What else have we done now? We've done loads.
I think you've covered everything there.
We're also really excited to say that we're taking 28 pupils from the secondary school to London to work with the boys and other working theatre professionals over the course of a week, where we'll get to see West End shows, go to the Globe, and lots of amazing things in London. And again, it's all part of our profile of lifting performing arts, expressive arts at KTJ.
It's been really, really exciting these last few days to work with all of the students and all of the arts team here. The teachers are incredible, they're very inspiring, and the students themselves are brilliant. They're lovely, lovely students. It's been really exciting for us to work with such engaged students, and they've really allowed us in, which has been great. We've really been able to develop their skills even in the last few days.
Yeah, and also I just think hats off to the team here, what they're doing. You can feel it in the air. There's such a change in the students. They're so excited about the performing arts, the expressive arts, and that is definitely down to great leadership here. So thank you for inviting us.